Today guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to animate on flipper clip correctly. So the first thing you have to do is to tap on this plus button. Then you have to name your animation. Then tap done. Now you have to choose your canvas size. I'm just going to leave mine at YouTube 720p. You can choose other options like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and others. The next one is to choose your frames per second. I'm still going to leave my own at 12 fps because that's the normal one. Now tap create project. So as a first timer using this app, you might not know what to do, but I'm going to teach you everything you need to know. Now these tools at the left of your screen, this one here is the pen. It's what we use to draw on the paper here. This is paper. It's what we use to draw. Then to change the settings of your pen, just have to tap on it. Then something is going to pop up at the right side of your screen. Yeah, so it shows brush, size, color, and ruler. Now the brush is in different types. Just tap it. You have the pen soft, you have the pen choppy, you have the sketch, you have the airbrush, you have the crayon, and so on. Now the sizes, you can decide to change the size of your pen by tapping on it and moving it upward. Also you can decide to decrease the size of your pen by tapping on it and moving it downward. The next one is the color. The color is for changing the color of your pen. If you want to decide to change the color of your pen to green, just tap on it. Then this is going to come up. So you can decide to change the color to green. This is where the green side is. You just move it here and move this up. As you can see, it's already showing green here. Then my pen is already green. Now underneath the pen, underneath the color is the ruler. This ruler is used for drawing straight lines, straight circle, straight squares, and mirror. You just tap the ruler, tap it, and this is going to pop up. So you can decide to move the ruler to any position. You can decide to move it here. You can decide to move it downward. Any of your choice. So you can decide to also draw circle, a straight line circle. But please wait, let me change this pen to black. So this is the circle. Just want to draw a straight circle. So this is your beautiful circle. I want to also draw a box inside the circle. Outside the circle, I mean, is your box. So the next one after the pen is your eraser. You are just going to tap on the eraser. Now this eraser is for cleaning your paper, things you don't like on the paper. So to change the settings of your eraser, you just need to tap on it. Then you see brush, size, fade, and alpha. The brush is still the same thing as the brush in the pen. Pen soft, pen choppy, sketch, brush, HB, crayon, and so on. Now the sizes are in different types. If you want to change the size, you just tap on it and move up. You want to decrease the size, just tap on it and just let it move down. As you can see, the size is reducing. So to fade, the fade is just to increase the fadeness of the eraser. If you want it more darker, if you want it more lighter. And let me erase this thing here. I'll just go to increase the size. Then erase. As you can see, it's already erasing. And it is very simple to erase. Now the next one is called the paint bucket. The paint bucket is used for painting objects like square, circle, human beings, anything you draw on the paper. You can use it to paint. I'm sorry. So let me, for instance, draw a circle. So I want to paint the circle. I just need to tap the paint bucket, choose the color I want. I want green because green is actually my favorite color. Then go back and tap it. As you can see, the ball is already painted green. But if you want to draw the circle, make sure it is enclosed well. Because if it's not enclosed like this, to not be able to the green and the ball will not be able to be the ball will not be green. It's just going to go outside and spoil the work, as you can see. So the next one is what we call the lasso tool. The lasso tool is also used for carrying objects to one place to another, for increasing the size of an object, increasing the size of a person, and so on. So if I want to increase the size of this ball, I'll just tap on the lasso tool. Then I'm just going to enclose the circle with it. Then it's going to something like this is going to pop up. Here you see TRFS, you see PERSP, you see flip, you see flip again, then you see erase. I don't know the meaning of this TRFS. I think it's for changing this small small squares at the corner of the big square. So to flip, you just need to tap. As you can see, it has flipped to the right. To flip back to left, tap it again. To flip upward, tap it again. To flip downward, tap again. Now to erase, you have seen this erase sign here. This dustbin, this waste. You just need to tap it. Then your work is gone. So the other usefulness of this lasso tool is for you can use it to carry objects from one place to another. For example, you just need to enclose the circle again. So you want to move the ball downwards here. Just going to move it. As you can see, I want to also move it here. I'm also going to move it upward. Yeah. So the other useful, the last usefulness of this lasso tool is for increasing and decreasing the size of an object or a person. For example, I want to increase the size of this ball. I'm just going to enclose it again. Then this square is going to come out with all these small corners. I'm just going to tap one of the corners and enlarge it. As you can see, this ball has already been increased. I want to reduce it. I'm also going to tap it and bring it, move it upward. I want to increase, I'll put it downward. I want to increase that, move it downward. I want to reduce it, I'm going to move it upward. So the last one underneath it is the text. The text is used for adding the T is used for adding text to your page. If you want to add a text where instead of editing the video and putting text, you can just add text directly from your Flipper Clip app. So to get to the text section, just to tap on it. There's something is going to pop up on the right side of your screen which said add font size and color. Now this add is when you want to add a text to your paper. You just need to tap on it, and then this is going to come up. So you can decide to type whatever you want to type. So now to type Happy New Year. Happy New Year. And I'll just tap this done. Then tap insert. Yeah, so my Happy New Year has already been inserted on the page. Now to also change font of the text, let's change the style of the text. I'll just tap this add again. I'll tap how are you, done. Then you just insert, but don't you just tap the paper of the phone. You have to just tap this font. Then there are different types of style of text you can decide to put. My favorite is exo bold here. I'm just going to tap on it and press cancel. As you can see, my text is already on exo bold. You can also decide to change it to any font style you want. You can decide to change it to this clear sans bold. As you can see, it's already on the clear sans bold. You can decide to change it to this battle star. Tap on it, then press this cancel. As you can see, it's already on the battle star. The other one is the size of the text. So you have to add another text again. I want to add nice to meet you. To meet you. So to change the size, you just tap this insert. As you can see, it's still under my font style. I'll press the size, then I'll just move it up. If you want to decrease the size, I'll just tap it and reduce it by moving it down. As you can see, the size already reducing. I want to increase the size, I'll just move it up. Reduce the size, I'll just move it down. Now the color. As you can see, underneath the size is the color. For you to change the color, you just tap it. Then this is going to pop up. Anytime you want to change the color of something, this is what is going to pop up. Underneath, where you want, if you want to change the style of the color, you just see classic, harmony, value, and swatch. I'm going to be teaching you guys that in my next class. But I want to change the text color to, let's see, blue. Blue. I don't like this blue. That's purple. Something like this now. As you can see, the text is already blue.